Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you sleep with someone that is a little bit loud when they sleep? Well, I have these great noise blocking headphones from Tapaxis. These help me to be able to get my TV time in as a busy mom and to block out all the outside noises. The headphones are so comfortable to wear. They have a swivel feature which makes it really easy not only to pick them up, but also to fold them up and put them back in the case. All of the controls are right from the side and it's very easy to operate. They have a great sound reducing feature, so you really don't hear any outside sounds. I really love the cushion on the earphones. They are so comfortable. Whether I'm laying down or if I'm just sitting in a chair, I just find that they are super, super comfortable. For being a lower price point, I have to say I'm really happy and satisfied with these headphones. They're super comfortable, they're very cushioned on the ears, and they have great sound quality as well as blocking out the outside noises. But that's just my point of view.